How to install vertical siding to my home. Myron here with Best Contracting. I want to show you guys how you need to fasten that. First of all, if you have plywood as a backer behind your home, installing the vertical siding is easy. You just attach it to the plywood decking. It's common, however, to have a particle board, a foam board as a backer, which is fine. But the problem with that is your stud's running this way and your vertical siding running this way. As you're coming across here, there's places where you do not hit any studs. So in this instance, you have to fasten a lath horizontally in order to install your vertical board and batten siding. Have a great day.